my dear students, I hope that you all are perfectly fine. So today in this video lesson, I'm going to discuss with you chapter number 17 from GK book. Okay, so but before I start the topic, I want to ask few questions. So my first question is, okay, how do you feel after your busy or hectic schedule? Obviously, you feel tired, okay? Now, what do you do to refresh yourselves? Yes, you do different kinds of activities, okay? Like listening music, playing games, dancing, painting, drawing, etc. My dear students, whenever I do get time, I like to read books. Okay, and I read books on different topics like great personalities and positive attitudes. So, you know that books are really a great source of knowledge, and number of books are available in the market on different topics, and now we have ebooks also. So, my dear students, you know what? So, there are particular books on particular topics. So, today in this video lesson, we are going to discuss particular books, okay? So, what is our topic? Our topic is bookstore, okay? So, my dear students, now look at this book. Have you identified it? Yes, it is called dictionary. So, you use a dictionary to look up the meaning of any words that you don't understand. And a good dictionary can help you understand your subject better, improve your communication, and improve your grades by making sure you are using the words correctly. Now, I'm going to tell you the steps for using the dictionary. Okay, first step is find the word you want to look up. And what is the second step? Yes, find the letter that the word begins with. And the third step, open the dictionary to the page with the relevant letter. In case the letter C. Okay, now step 4. Now look at the second letter in the word you are looking for. Okay, this is how you can use the dictionary. Okay, I hope it is clear. So my dear students, now look at this book. And this book shows the geographic features, topography of an area's landscape and political boundaries. And you know what? So these types of books also show climatic, social, religious and economic statistics of an area. And do you know what do we call this book? Yes, this book is called an atlas. So what is atlas? So an atlas is a book or collection of maps. Okay, so there are many kind of specialized atlases such as road atlases and historical atlases. Besides showing maps of all the countries and continents, a world atlas may also provide the facts about the countries. Okay, and you know what? It is very useful for you because you can study about the different types of continents, ocean and geography of the world. I hope this one is very much clear to you. So my dear students, you know what? We have so many special moments in our life and we capture them in the camera and we get photographs. So my dear students, where do we keep all these photographs? Yes, in the photo albums. So photo albums are very important in preserving our memories and telling our stories in the future. Photo albums can become, yes, very special items in our lives, especially because each album is filled with unique individual photos that tell a story and reflect a moment we would like to remember. I hope this one is very much clear. So my dear students, you know what? Some of you are very much inquisitive by nature and you want to have information on every topic. And you know what? Sometimes all online information is not correct or unbiased. So what do we use? Yes, then we use encyclopedias. And what is encyclopedia? Yes, it is a reference tool with information on a wide range of topics. So, my dear students, you know what? So, we can use encyclopedias with a reputation for providing legitimate information from the expert and scholarly sources that you can verify. I hope this one is clear. So my dear students, now look at this picture. Yes, have you identified it? Yes, it is a diary. So my dear students, you know what? It can prove your best friend. How it can be your best friend? Yes, sometimes you are not able to share your feelings, your ideas, thoughts with others openly. Then what you can do? Yes, you can vent out, bottled up your emotions and toxic thoughts that stays with you. Okay, so by writing in a diary and treating it as if you are talking to a close friend, your thoughts and secrets stay with you forever. So I hope so you have understood that diaries are our secret companion and a place where we can be honest with ourselves. So my dear students, have you identified these books? Yes, we call them magazines. And magazines provide a wealth of information, inspiration and creative ideas for readers. And the information given to the reader may drive them to go out and visit store, businesses and search online to find out more. I hope this one is very much clear to you. So my dear students, now look at this book. Yes, it is called directory and commonly it is called a telephone book, telephone address book, phone book or the white and yellow pages. So telephone directory is a listing of telephone subscriber in a geographical area or subscribers to services provided by the organization that publishes the directory. I hope this one is clear. So my dear student, now look at this book. Yes, this book is called Ledger and you know what? It is very important because it helps the businessmen monitor and control a business's financial operations. Okay, so my dear students, you know what? The accounting ledger is used to generate the key financial statements, the income statement, cash flow statement and the balance sheet for the company. I hope this one is clear. So my dear students, now look at this book. Yes, this book is called a catalog. So what is catalog? A catalog is a list or a record of items. Okay, now the point of such a catalog is typically to arrange the information in an orderly way, often with descriptions so that the items can be easily found. I hope everything is very much clear to you. So my dear students, now I am going to discuss with you chapter number 17, book World. So we have been given one exercise, okay? So in this exercise, name of the books have been given on the left side and description is given on the right side. So what we have to do? We have to match the types of books with their descriptions. So here I start. So first is album. So what is album? Do you remember? Yes, album is a book for keeping photographs. So here I am going to match it with E. Okay. Now second is a ledger. So what is ledger? Do you remember? Yes, ledger is a book maintain accounts of different parties. So the answer of the second is B. Okay. Now the third one, that is atlas. So what is atlas? Yes, a book containing maps. So third, I'm going to match the third with, yes, F. So now fourth, what is dictionary? Yes, so dictionary is a book that lists and explains the meaning of the word in alphabetical order. So fourth, I'm going to match the fourth one with A. Okay. Now fifth is encyclopedia. So first you need to understand what is encyclopedia. Yes, a book or a set of books giving information on many subjects usually arranged in alphabetical order. Yes. So here I am going to match encyclopedia question number 5 with G. Okay. Now next, that is 6, diary. So what is diary, bache? So diary means a book to write daily records. Okay. So I'm going to match question number 6 with C. So next is catalog. It is at number 7. So what does catalog means? Yes, a book containing a complete list of items. So here I'm going to match it with number H. So I hope this one is clear. Now the 8th one, that is directory. So what is directory? Yes, it is a book containing the list of people's name and telephone numbers. So here I'm going to match it with I. Okay, I hope this one is also clear. Now let us do the last one, that is magazine. So what is magazine? Yes, a periodical publication containing interesting stories, articles, etc. So here I am going to match it with D. So I hope this exercise is very much clear to you. Now what you have to do, so you have to revise the chapter. Okay, now you have to do the exercise in your book. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next video with different topics. So till then, bye and have a nice day.